good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. On today's episode, we'll be making this scrunchy headband. If you want to know how to make yours, let's go. You'll be needing 3 pieces: the main piece, the lining piece, and the elastic casing piece. Let's start with the main piece. You fold it in half, then you go ahead and sew. You will also do the same for the elastic casing piece. After sewing, you are going to turn it inside out. With the main piece, you can use your hand to turn it inside out. You can also do the same with the elastic casing piece if it's a bit big, but if it's so tiny, you can use a loop turner or a safety pin. After that, you are going to feed in your elastic through the elastic casing using your safety pin, like I'm doing in the video. When you get to the end, you have to use your pins to hold it down so it doesn't disappear into the elastic casing. After that, you are going to top stitch on the end of the elastic casing. Top stitch the elastic with the elastic casing. After stop stitching, you are going to put that aside. We are going to the main piece. We are going to feed in the lining into the main fabric like we did with the elastic. After doing that, you are also going to top stitch the ends of your main fabric. If you notice, the place I sewed is facing down and not up. The reason being that I don't want the lines to be visible. Now we are going to attach the elastic to the main piece. Attach your elastic right side facing each other to the main piece. Then you go ahead to use your main piece to wrap it up so the seam doesn't show. Just follow what I'm doing in the video. So that's how it will look like after you're done sewing. The other part is quite tricky, but just follow what I'm doing in the video. Make sure the right side is facing each other, and then you use the main piece to wrap the elastic casing like I did with the first part. Now that's how it will look like. There you have it, your headband is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. And if you have any suggestion on what to make next, please put it down in the comment section below. Thank you so much. I love you guys. See you next week. Bye.